Hi everyone. Today we're going to have a quick little ornament. You can make this in 5 minutes or less. I'll be sure you have all your clay ready and we're going to get started. Here's what we need. I have a little bit of embossing powder there to give them a little bit of glitz and glitter. You don't have to do that if you don't want to. Now we're going to start by rolling a fairly thick rope of white clay. You don't want to make it too thick, but it's going to be thicker than we usually do. And then we'll just fold it over when we're done rolling it. And you can make it as long as you want. You can make it long, short, whatever. And we're going to fold it over on itself and we're going to twist. And as you get down to the bottom, you want it to be a little bit narrower. No, take it down to a point. You know, the way icicles hang off the house. And press down the clay a little. Oh, I should have done this on a black sheet of paper, shouldn't I? Sorry. Then we're going to put the head on and roll a nice round head. And it's just like making the snowmen that we've made before. And I'm using the light blue for his hat to give it that cool icicle feeling. You can make it Christmassy if you want. You know, you don't need to do this. I'm actually making his scarf here. And it's the same way we make the candy cane. Put the blue and the white together and twist. Wouldn't it be fun to have these, a whole bunch of these on your tree, but different sizes? I think it would be cute. Put his scarf on. Now, when you actually make him yourself, you can probably work faster. I'm not working that fast here because I want you to see what I'm doing. Now we're making his hat, and you know we've made this hat many, many times before. I'm doing this narration very, very early in the morning. My brother goes to dialysis at 6 a.m. No, it's 6:30, excuse me. And so I thought I would get some voiceovers done before he gets out. And so I haven't had my coffee yet. I haven't had breakfast. Excuse me. And we're making the brim of the hat. And if you want to personalize it, this is where you would put the name and you would put the year on the ball of the hat. I think maybe I need that cup of coffee. And we put the hook in, and that was quick and easy. And like I said, you can do it faster than this because I did it kind of slow. We're not done yet. We still have to do his nose and his mouth. Oh, now I decide to do that. Look at that. I should have done that earlier. And stick his nose in. And we have to give him a mouth. Oh, of course, we have to put on the holly and the berries. Oh my gosh, I feel like I'm going to fall back asleep. Oh no. We do his mouth. And of course, blush before you bake. And we will bake him according to the instructions on your package of clay. And that's it. Oh, not quite. Got to put that glitter on. Now, you don't have to put the glitter on. Now, when you put the powder on, make sure you do not put it in areas where you want to write a name or a date. So stay away from the brim of the hat and the ball of the hat. Because what happens is when you put that powder on, you won't be able to write names on there. Makes it very difficult. So stay away from those areas. And I think that might be it. Yep. Oh no, camera needs to focus. There we go. Let's get a little in focus. I want you to see how the powder looks. Really gives it a little bit of glitter. And that's it. And I will see you next time, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. And like I said, this one's quick and easy. Bye.